Good afternoon, everybody. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. Will it ever end? We are at 98 degrees right now, guys. This high tunnel is bumping 120 degrees. The bigger one is too. The heat is taking a toll on certain things. It's really odd because in the mornings it's about, it was 66 degrees, so nice, so pleasant. But let me tell you something, during the day, we are in the hundreds, and we are set to break a record today, tomorrow, and Thursday, or Saturday. Sunday, we might get a reprieve. Pray for that. We desperately need it because we are still in a drought. The grass is starting to burn up again. We're starting to get cracks in the ground. But I wanted to give you guys an update and say we think that hope is coming. Next week, we look to get around Wednesday or Thursday around 58 degrees in the morning, which is more fall-like. Today is the first day of fall. But yeah, let's go around and I'll show you how things are faring. So we're having to water twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, guys, because things are really, really struggling in this heat. It's like we're in the dead of summer again. Here is my butter crunch lettuce. I cannot wait for this to get a little bit bigger to dig into. This is my Ice Queen. Ice Queen likes cooler temps. Here's some of my Tom Thumb. The arugula, you can see I'm getting pretty hit hard with the army worms, but I think I'm still able to stave them off. Here's some of the sweet potato slips that I put in a jar, guys, with some water. And man, they rooted out fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead, try to keep some going over the winter, so I'll have some slips. May work, may not, but I'm going to give it a shot. My broccoli transplants are about ready to go in, and I think I'm going to have to go ahead and put them in the morning because I can't leave them up here. Last night I came and checked on them, and they were all limp as they could be. They are just burning up. And my Swiss chard should be enough to show you exactly what's going on in this extreme heat on September the 22nd. You can see sweet potatoes are getting a little limp during the day. They're not used to this temperature this time of year when they're getting this big. Purple hull peas are holding their own, guys, but I attribute it to the shade cloth here. So it's shading much of them. It depends on where the sun's at, but guys, looky here. I'm getting some little pea pods. How exciting is that gonna be? Now these are those Bradley seeds that I'm quite impressed with. So yeah, very excited about these. And you can see the cracks are coming back very quickly. Ugh, we need this heat to go away. So because of the heat, I'll be starting a lot more seeds for backup just to make sure that we're covered. Because guys, everything is struggling. Everything is struggling. Yes, we're getting the cool nights, but the afternoons, it is completely brutal. So I think the solution that Greg came up with the plastic fence is really working. I hadn't seen anything on the cameras during the night. We did see a rodent the night before last, and we put out a rodent deterrent, which is has a lot of cloves and a lot of very strong scents, and last night it staved them off. So I think I'm going to put my broccoli in here tomorrow morning, and I'm just going to fill in the gaps. So hang tight, guys. Relief is coming. It's still about a week away, but hang tight. And who knows, there's a hurricane that they think is going to come up through the Gulf. We'll see what it does. We don't want the storms, the high winds, but we'll take any of the rain because we are still in a drought. Lake Benbrook, which is one of the main reservoirs in Fort Worth, is still down almost 8 feet. The only lake in the area that is at normal is Grapevine, and it must have something pouring into it from Oklahoma. If any of you guys know what that is, go ahead and leave me a comment below. But that's the only lake that seems to be holding its own. Anyway, guys, take care. God bless. If you hadn't seen my okra breading video that I published this morning, you need to go check that out. Saves on mess, saves on time, so convenient, and you're using your fresh okra. God bless you all. Love you. See you soon.